To protect against the natural elements of the outdoors, Davis Paints recommends these products for exterior use. Davis Megacryl Latex Paint is based on 100% acrylic water-based paint. Davis Megacryl Latex Paint contains no lead and no mercury and is the first Philippine paint to attain the Singapore Green Label mark, a labeling scheme administered by the Singapore Environment Council endorsing products that are truthfully environmentally friendly. Davis Megacryl Latex Paint is specially formulated for both interior and exterior with its low odor, easy application and water cleanup, and excellent spatter resistance. Davis Megacryl Latex Paint is available in flat, semi-gloss, and gloss finish and can be tinted with Davis Color Factory. No dilution required for best performance. If necessary, add up to a maximum 1/4 liter of clean potable water. More water will affect paint performance. Do not use solvent-based thinners or reducers. Surface preparation. New concrete. New concrete and plaster surfaces must be thoroughly cured for 28 days before painting, having a moisture content of less than 15% and a pH level below 9. Remove concrete latents and other impurities. Thoroughly clean the surface and ensure that it is dry, free from oil, grease, loose materials, and other possible contaminants. Previously painted concrete. Treat fungus and mildew growth with Davis Mildewcide Wash Solution and rinse with clean water. Scrub and clean with water all powdery and chalky surfaces. Apply 1 coat of Davis Liquid Tile Penetrating Sealer if surface exhibits severe chalkiness. Thoroughly clean the surface and ensure that it is dry, free from oil, grease, loose materials, and other possible contaminants. Product application. Concrete. For masonry surfaces such as concrete, stucco, hollow blocks, bricks, plaster, asbestos, and flexiboard. For concrete surfaces, Step 1. Apply 1 coat of Davis 1350 acrylic concrete primer and sealer by brush, roller, or spray. Let dry for 2 hours. Step 2. For surface imperfections such as cracks, dents, and rough edges, apply Davis 5000 concrete putty using putty knife. Let dry, sand, and dust off. If no putty work is required, proceed to Step 4. Step 3. Spot prime all puttied areas with Davis 1350 concrete primer and sealer. Let dry for 2 hours. Step 4. Finish with 2 coats of Davis Megacryl of desired color by brush or roller. Allow 2 hours drying in between coats. Wood. Prime wood surface by applying 1 coat of Davis 1360 interior primer and sealer, or Davis 1300 water-based wood primer by brush, roller, or spray. Finish with 2 coats of Davis Megacryl Latex Paint by brush, roller, or spray. Metal surfaces. For metal surfaces of Davis 911 Red Oxide Metal Primer or Davis 1391 Water-Based Red Oxide Metal Primer. Finish with 2 coats Davis Megacryl Latex Paint by brush, roller, or spray. Davis Sun and Rain. Davis Sun and Rain is an odorless, self-priming, and waterproofing elastomeric paint. Unlike ordinary elastomeric paints, Davis Sun and Rain odorless elastomeric paint utilizes 100% acrylic technology that gives excellent and UV and water resistance, resulting to a more durable and attractive paint finish. It covers hairline cracks due to its high elasticity. No dilution required for best performance. If necessary, add up to a maximum 1/4 liter of clean potable water. More water will affect paint performance. Do not use solvent-based thinners or reducers. Surface preparation. New concrete and plaster surfaces must be thoroughly cured for 28 days before painting, having a moisture content of less than 15% and a pH level below 9. Remove concrete latents and other impurities. Thoroughly clean the surface and ensure that it is dry, free from oil, grease, loose materials, and other possible contaminants. Previously painted concrete. Treat fungus and mildew growth with Davis Mildewcide wash solution and rinse with clean water. Scrub and clean with water all powdery and chalky surfaces. Apply 1 coat of Davis liquid tile penetrating sealer if surface exhibits severe chalkiness. Thoroughly clean the surface and ensure that it is dry, free from oil, grease, loose materials, and other possible contaminants. Product application. For mason surfaces such as concrete, stucco, hollow blocks, bricks, plaster, asbestos, and flexiboard. For concrete surfaces, Step 1. Apply 1 coat of Davis 1350 acrylic concrete primer and sealer by brush, roller, or spray. Let dry for 2 hours. Step 2. For surface imperfections such as cracks, dents, and rough edges, apply Davis Sun & Rain SR 5000 elastomeric putty using putty knife. Let dry, sand, and dust off. If no putty work is required, proceed to Step 4. Step 3. Spot prime all puttied areas with Davis 1350 concrete primer and sealer. Let dry for 2 hours. Step 4. Finish with 2 coats of Davis Sun & Rain of desired color by brush or roller. Allow 2 hours drying in between coats.